In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Google Bard AI Chatbot API, now known as the Google Gemini API, in just 5 minutes. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth process as you tap into the capabilities that powered Google Bard. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to use the Google Gemini API. Google Bard has been rebranded as Gemini, and the API key you'll need can be found on Google AI Studio's platform. So the first step is to head over to Google AI Studio. Open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Get API Key button. This button is typically easy to locate on the home page or under the API management section. You'll be prompted to create or use an existing Google account if you're not already signed in. After you click on Get API Key, explore the panel that lets you create a new API key. There's usually an intuitive interface here, designed to make your task straightforward. Now, click on the Create API Key button. It's important that you go step by step here to avoid any missing elements that might cause issues later. Naming your API key is the next crucial step. This will help you identify it later, especially if you decide to generate multiple keys for different projects. Choose a name that reflects the purpose or the project you intend to use it for. Once you've named your API key, you'll come across an option to either select an existing project or create a new one. This is necessary because each API key needs to be associated with a project within Google AI Studio. If you have a project ready, simply select it from the list. Otherwise, take a moment to create a new project if needed. After you've done that, click on the Create Key button. This initiates the generation of your unique API key. This may take a few seconds, but when it's ready, your new API key will be clearly displayed on the screen. It's really important that you copy this API key immediately, as you'll need it to authenticate any requests you make when building applications or using the Google Gemini API in your projects. Bear in mind that the key is sensitive information. You'll want to keep it secure to prevent unauthorized use. With this API key now in your toolkit, you have the ability to access and leverage the robust functionalities of what was formerly Google Bard, now Google Gemini, in your developments. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained a Google Gemini API key in a few simple steps. Remember, these keys can open powerful new possibilities for your applications. Thanks for watching and happy coding.